everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Bansari with me today. Smashed her PTE exam and now she has cleared her NAATI CCL exam as well with 72 out of 90 in NAATI Hindi and 8 each in PTE, guys. Very happy for you. Congratulations, Bansari, well done. 25 points towards her permanent residency, and the very first thing I would like to tell you about her is, guys, she has just finished her studies. She is just on her temporary visa, 485 visa, and you have got your 25 points towards your permanent residency. Normally what we see when students are about to finish their TIA, then they approach their NAATI and PTE and then they start collecting points, right?
Yes.
You have done it in the very beginning. What did you have in your mind that yes, I have to get it done while on my student visa, while pursuing your degree? You did it. How was that? What was that which kept you going on?
First of all, I would like to thank Language Academy for my points, and the thing I had in my mind is just because I wanted to get my job in my own thing, so I just wanted to smash it before everything starts. So I didn't wanted the points about the PTE and NAATI after that. So I did it right after completing my studies.
So basically you had a plan. She had a plan that yes, once you are done with your PTE and NAATI, you would be able to focus more on your career, more on your job, right?
Yes.
Because normally what happens with a lot of students, they finish their degree, they take a break, they enjoy for a while, and then instead of going in their field of working or looking for work, they just get busy with PTE and NAATI. By the time they finish their PTE and NAATI, they are almost done with their TIA 485 visa, and then they don't really have a lot of time to look for work. Very important, one of the strategy I'll say which I really like, finish your PTE and NAATI while you are on your student visa so that you can focus on your other goals once you have full-time working rights, guys. Let's come on to your PTE, right? You were quite regular to the lab sessions, I remember.
Yes.
You missed by 1 or 2 points as well. Journey was full of ups and downs. What do you think was the most important factor which helped you to get 8 each in PTE?
First of all, the regular practice and regular feedbacks from all the tutors of Language Academy, they helped me a lot. There was individual feedback as well as they gave me personal plans. So according to the schedule, if your schedule is very tight, they'll give you personal plans, like and they'll find your weak points, that these are the tasks because of which you are lacking in PTE, and they'll ask you to work on that. Like when I did my first attempt after coming to Language Academy, that was my back point that I didn't do because of few of my lag points. But then they gave me a personal plan, and according to I worked it and I smashed my PTE.
That's right, guys. Very important. You have a plan and you have an expert with you who will tell you what you need to focus on. A lot of times students don't really give the score despite the fact they have very good command over the language, because they don't really know what your weaknesses are. Because PTE, more than your English test, is more of your performance test, right? And if you're not able to perform or handle your nerves in those 3 hours, things can be quite difficult. So very important you know what are your weaknesses and how to tackle those. Let's come to your NAATI. I remember you were really scared. You asked me will I pass or not. How was NAATI? How was the experience with NAATI? How difficult was the exam when we compare it to the mock test over here?
The mock test, I would say they were quite difficult, and they scared me a bit when I was coming over here, but when I gave my exam, it was a bit easy. But for that, I wouldn't say that you can take it easily. Even NAATI is tough, but yeah, the regular classes to Language Academy and the regular mock test will definitely smash NAATI easily.
That's right, because guys, very important point over here, don't take anything light. Yes, if you practice on the difficult material, difficult things, and challenge yourself, get yourself out of the comfort zone. Once you challenge yourself, things which are very difficult, they will become a bit easy. And when you go for the exam, if you luckily get an easy exam, or if you don't really get something very complex, things are going to be very easy and you're going to smash it as well. So while you're practicing, doesn't matter if you're practicing with us or anywhere else, just remember this thing, make sure you challenge yourself and practice on the difficult task, because once you go for the exam, everything will be easy then. That's it from this video, guys. Congratulations, Bansari, well again. 25 points, guys. It's your time. Claim 25 points towards your permanent residency and be a permanent resident here. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be with you very soon. Thank you.